Welcome to the Wiki Journal. In this informative tutorial, I will teach you what does PC mean on Instagram. Before starting a video, if you are the new user on our channel, please subscribe to our channel. So without wasting your time, let's go toward the video. Now we are going to show you that what does PC mean on Instagram. On Instagram, when you come across a PC and a caption, it stands for the picture credit. It's a way to the person posting to acknowledge and give credit to someone who took or was involved in the picture. Now we are going to show you that what does the PC mean on Instagram edit. As I mentioned about that the PC means picture credit on Instagram edit. When someone includes this term in their Instagram edit, it signifies they try giving credit to the original photographer or the owner of the image. Now we are going to show the importance of the PC on Instagram. So as you know that you can give credit for the hard work they have put for creating the Instagram post, is it shows respect and appreciation of their hard work. It recognizes the integrity and effort put into the content and adds and the exposure of and respect for the hard work of the producer. So by giving due attribution, you can avoid copyright violation and other problems that might result for utilizing someone else's content without their consent. And also crediting can also help in discovering new creators and giving your ideas. So that's all about the PC on Instagram. So if this video is informative for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.